We've all been there. Your phone or tablet promises it can handle everything you throw at it, and then out of nowhere that dreaded "not enough storage" message pops up and ruins the moment. You're taking photos, shooting videos, downloading files, and suddenly you're forced to start deleting memories or paying for yet another cloud subscription. That's exactly the problem SanDisk is trying to solve with its Phone Drive, a tiny but powerful storage add-on that plugs straight into your device. This little drive connects directly through USB Type-C, which means it works with most modern Android phones, the newer iPhone models like the 15, 16, and 17 series, iPads, MacBooks, and even plenty of Windows laptops and tablets. No adapters, no cables, no fuss. Once it's plugged in, you instantly unlock a massive 1 terabyte of extra storage space. That's plenty of room for high-resolution photos, long 4K videos, and all those files you never want to part with. Instead of constantly managing storage, you can just keep capturing and creating without worrying about running out of room. SanDisk also sweetens the deal with its free Memory Zone app, available across Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. Pair the drive with the app, and it basically does the work for you. It can automatically move new photos and videos onto the drive, keep everything neatly organized, and even back your data up. And if something ever goes wrong, the software is designed to help you recover your files, which adds some much-needed peace of mind. In terms of performance, the Phone Drive uses USB 3.2 Gen 1 and can hit read speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second. That's more than enough for everyday use and makes transferring large batches of photos or videos quick and painless. Actual speeds will depend on the device you're using, but overall, it's noticeably faster than dealing with older storage options. On top of that, the drive is compact enough to toss into a pocket or bag, yet sturdy enough to handle frequent plugging and unplugging. The best part is that this kind of solution makes upgrading your entire phone or tablet just for more storage feel unnecessary. Instead of spending big money on a new device, you can simply plug this in and move on. No more deleting apps, no more clearing out photos, and no more stressing over storage warnings. If you're constantly running out of space on your device, this tiny SanDisk drive might just be the simple fix you've been waiting for.